good? What's good? What is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we are doing a room tour for a penthouse suite at the Delano Hotel. Because remember, it's not a casino. It's at the Delano Hotel. Let's get into it. This has two entrances, so I am at one entrance, my mom is at the other, but when you walk in from my entrance, it's like a little kitchenette. There's functioning cabinets, a mini fridge that you can ask for and rent out, a weighted tray of water and coffee cups, and then the mini fridge, which is also weighted, but we can open it up. So remember, this is weighted. You have to pay for everything that you buy in this. And then two more functioning cabinets as well, the ice tray, and like a mini bar situation with a sink and a coffee maker. Also by both entrances is a thermostat. So remember, they're by both entrances, not just one or the other. Entering the actual penthouse suite is an entryway. You walk in, here's like the dining room situation. That is a mirror, but also a TV. This is a door to make a conjoining room. And we will check out the view in a bit, but this is the living area. And this is the view. You have to have all the lights off to see it pretty well, but everything is to the left, like that's of the main strip. As you can see over there, the only thing that's to the right is the Las Vegas sign and like the Pinball Hall of Fame, with more seating of sofas. Also for the kitchenette, there is a bar with two stools, so you can like sit and make drinks and stuff over there. But coming back to the living room, this is the living area. There's a table, and I left the TV on because I wanted to show you guys that this is a mirror. As you can see, here I am on the borders, but this is also a TV, and I have it muted, but it works totally fine. Okay, so this is the other entrance that my mom was originally at. This is like a little bar thing to put your room key, your keys, or whatever you'd like right here by the door. Again, there's the thermostat. Also, another minor detail that I mentioned, this is by the main entrance of your suite. You can either put the do not disturb sign on, or you can call housekeeping to your suite. And here is a bathroom. Now when you walk into this bathroom, you have your mirror, sink, cabinet with soap, and then your toilet. Nothing too fancy about that. Also, another detail I would like to mention is that this is tile, but so is this. So it's very convenient for you to roll your suitcases and luggage into the room right there. And this is a rug. Okay, so walking in from the living room, you have this office space. And like, let's say you're like working at the office space, right? But you also want to listen to the TV, because I just discovered this like 0.5 seconds ago, right? There's like a little bench for your stuff too. There's this thing, hang on, let's go to the side. There's this thing right here where it controls everything. So right now I muted the TV from in here because surround sound. Okay, so also leading from the living room is the entryway to the bedroom. As you can see, there's like a mini living room over here with a view. And this is actually like a regular TV. This is not a mirror TV. But also in here is the bathroom. This is just like a wood piece cut out. There's no mirror here. This is what the bedroom looks like. There's a headboard that curves around the whole wall. As you can see here, this is the bed. And the cool thing about that is that there's another TV on this side as well, so you can lay in bed and watch TV. The cutout takes you right back to the living room, so you can do a whole 360, just walking around in the room. All right, so now the bathroom. This is like the master bathroom. You walk in, and there's double sinks. Okay, so walking into the bathroom on the left, you're walking into a closet area where you can put your suitcase down on a bench, and you can use this other bench to sit down and put your clothes and put your shoes on. So while opening up these two cabinets, there's space on the floor to put your shoes, a little rack to hang up your actual clothes, and it comes with an iron and an ironing board. Opening up the other one, you have a shelf on the top, which you have a shelf on the top of the other one as well, the rack. And then this is where your safe is and drawers. All right, so coming back into the bathroom, you have a bathtub with some jets in it. And remember, this is the wood piece decor. You can also see into the living room and the bedroom. Coming from the sink side of the bathroom is the shower. And the cool thing about this is that there is a little indentation right here. So this is like where you can stand up, but if you don't want to stand up, you don't have to, because there's a bench right here that you can sit and just relax. And last but not least is the bathroom itself. It comes with a bidet, a toilet, and a scale. The scale does come included in this room. You can use it for weighing your suitcases and things like that, but there's also directions on how to use the scale as well. Oh, and also there's a mirror on the door that leads you into the toilet bathroom with the bidet, so you can close it because it's a door for privacy. All right, you guys, that concludes our tour of the penthouse suite at the Delano Hotel. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to smash that subscribe button. And even if you didn't, I have other videos for you to go check out, so smash that subscribe button regardless. Toodles!